replaced the book cafe. Zim Cafe is the place in Zimbabwe where you can only get Afrocentric sound, culture, music.
I'm back now. Your former manager, Zim Cafe. I don't have much to say, but we are now back. Smile Chungano. We are now back.
Smile is back. Saka zvatinokuita paZim Cafe. Tinokuita inonzi Dendera Wednesday. Every Wednesday for life is going to be Dendera Band day here at Zim Cafe. Because Zim Cafe means Zimbabwean Afrocentric arts, culture, foods, and languages showcasing. Everybody who comes to Zimbabwe must have to come to Zim Cafe. To feel Zimbabwe before you go throughout Zimbabwe, you must have to come to Zim Cafe.
Traditional music.
Yes, we speak. We have got Paradisas. You find Paradisas every Friday here at Zim Cafe. You find Paradisas every Saturday here at Zim Cafe. You find Bira, Gahamadze, Dara Gahamadze or Vimo every Thursday here at Zim Cafe in Zimbabwe. Can you please tell us something about Zim Cafe in French? Ono Lingala. You're live. Okay. In French, can you please tell us, or in Lingala, anything you know about Zim Cafe?
Okay. In Lingala, my name is Yannick Bass. So
you're from?
I'm from DRC Congo.
You play?
I play bass guitar.
For
Banadesas.
Okay. Can you please tell the world about Zim Cafe?
Okay. In which language?
Any, both French and Lingala.
French, I don't know how to speak any more French because I'm used to speak English.
Okay, but English and Lingala.
And Lingala, okay. Bandeko nanga ya ba Congolais, nazo invité bino boya na Zim Cafe pour ko support biso Banadesas to beta ka musique chaque vendredi et mususu to beta pe samedi. Eza place à bien, place à malamu. Boya, support biso. I love you guys. Thank you.
Yeah, this is a Congolese guy who has been charmed by Alec Macheso. His dream is to meet Macheso, play with Macheso, collaborate with Macheso on a song or any instrumentation called Zimbabwe DRC Bassist. What's your message to Alec Macheso?
Yeah, Macheso, I always hear about you. You are a best man like me. So actually I come from South Africa. So I just want to meet you so we can play together. So I can show you my talent, how I know how to play guitar. So
you said you've played with you are from DRC. You've played with a lot of big artists from DRC.
Yes.
Can you tell us more about the artists that you played with in DRC?
Okay, I play with a lot of big artists like Weranson and like Christian musician like Frank Mulaja and Esther Kawa. There are more musicians. And in South Africa, I play with Champagne Overdose, Queen Mother. So I was the main guitarist there. I was the best man for that woman.
So this is Zim Cafe. We are at Zim Cafe. Birazen Arera played yesterday, and today Banadesas played here. Yesterday, Friday, they played here. Every Saturday, they play here again. So please come to Zim Cafe for grills and anything that you think is African. Thank you.